Have a problem with WhatsApp? Here are the solutions. What's up guys, Raj here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video we talk about common WhatsApp problem and solution. So first of all, I show you what to do when WhatsApp cannot install. So guys, WhatsApp running on Android version 2.1 and the end of the Marshmallow. So first of all, check your Android version. Go to your smartphone settings, scroll down and tap on About section. Now tap many times on Android version, or you can see your Android version here. You can see my Android version, Android Marshmallow 6.1. Now go back and go to security section. If you are trying to install WhatsApp from the WhatsApp website or APK file, enable unknown sources. Enable unknown sources under security. The installation of WhatsApp is very smooth and easy, but the automatic generate message with your activation code never come through. So first of all, double check your number and country code. Because I am from India, so my country code is +91. If you still do not receive message, try call me option. This way you will have the code read to you by a computer over the phone. To do this, open WhatsApp, click on the menu button, hit on settings, chat backup, and backup your messages. Conversation may be saved directly to micro SD cards, so you only need to insert the card into the new devices. Install the application and select restore, or you can save the data on your PC. WhatsApp not working issue. Usually this problem comes when your network not work properly. I mean server down problem. How to fix this issue? First of all, check your internet connection, Wi-Fi 3G, 4G. Next, empty the cache. To do this, go to settings, application or apps. Tap on WhatsApp storage and clear cache. If still your WhatsApp not working, clear data or reinstall latest version of WhatsApp. There are few reasons why WhatsApp would not recognize your contact. So first of all, make sure your contact is correct with country code. And confirm your all contact is visible and viewable. Next, make sure you are using latest version of WhatsApp. To do this, open tap on menu, settings, about and help, and hit on the about and check your latest version. Next, make sure they are using WhatsApp. How to retrieve or get your deleted message? Whenever you install WhatsApp, WhatsApp sets your backup, and if WhatsApp find any backup, give you a restore option. If this not work for you, watch my another video on this topic. Next, how do I know someone has blocked me? I show you here. I send a message to my friend. My message has gone and seen. Now he blocked me, and you can see his DP has changed, and you cannot see last seen or his DP. And this is my contact DP. So these are few simple signs to know you are blocked or not. Now if you want to block someone, you only have to go to contact like this. Simply hit on this 3 dot button, more, and hit on block. WhatsApp automatically adds contact provided that are previously stored in the phone book of your smartphone. If a particular contact is not listed, please note the following tips. Next, why you cannot start scene. If you are unable to start scene timestamp in a conversation, it could be a number of reasons. To fix this issue, tap on the menu icon, settings, account, and hit on privacy. And here you can see who can see my personal info and menu. Adjust setting according to your need. If you disable your last scene, then you won't able to see other people last scene times. Remember, if you enable this option, you can't see any one last scene and no one see your last scene. Next, how to understand WhatsApp blue check or other check. Here are the quick review. Look at my message. The clock symbol means your message is yet to be sent from the device. One gray tick means that the message has been sent and has been received by the WhatsApp server. Two gray ticks mean the message has been delivered and blue ticks mean user has received message. If you experience poor quality of voice call, ensure that your connection is strong. Use Wi-Fi or 3G, 4G connection for voice call. WhatsApp latest beta version provide video call feature. To solve this problem, go to your WhatsApp setting, tap on data users and hit on media auto download menu. To save your mobile data, uncheck this auto media download option and enable or check this option on Wi-Fi. Next and final thing is, what should I do when my phone is lost or stolen? So first of all, log your SIM card by contacting the carrier. Once they're done, WhatsApp can no longer be activated. Next, send a message to deactivate your account on support@whatsapp.com. So guys, if you have more questions and tips for us, feel free to comment below and watch more tips and tricks about WhatsApp. Get WhatsApp tips and trick playlist link in the description. Hopefully guys you enjoy this video. If you like this video, be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel and please support me. My name is Raj and I will see you there.